Welcome to Carvi Simplifile. Carvi Simplifile provides you a complete solution for GST compliance. Carvi Simplifile app provides a simplified process that enables the tax practitioners or the KASPs to file their clients' returns without any hassles. Carvi Simplifile is a cloud based application that enables raw data uploads and also enables you to create invoices in our ASP solution. In order to access this application, we need to provide the URL as asp.carvigst.com. And now we will enter into the application by providing the user ID and the password along with the CAPTCHA. Now login. Once you log in, the user gets redirected to the landing page of Carvi Simplifile ASP solution. Now, let us discuss on the features of our ASP solution. First comes the dashboard. Dashboard provides a summary snapshot of your tasks as a GST professional. Next comes My Account. My Account shows the personal details that needs to be filled by the GST tax professionals like the name, address, mobile number, email ID and other few basic details. Then comes Masters. In Masters, GST professionals may add their clients' details in a tabular form with the various options available in the ASP solution. Next comes Laws. In Laws, you will find a complete guide on the GST laws. This act as your record and you may also refer various laws pertaining to GST. Next comes Utilities. This is a very unique feature where you can manage, restrict roles and also access per user for the ASP solution. Now, let us move back to the Masters again. Once you add a client, you need to double click on the client's name in order to view the details. Now, let me take you to the demo of the client's login page. The first comes as the dashboard. The dashboard will show you the summary details of the business like outward supplies, inward supplies, compliance trackers and client ledger balance tracker. Then comes My Account. User can record their company details like the company name, GSTI number, address, mobile number and other few basic details of the company. Next comes Masters. User finds subtabs like authorized signatory, search taxpayer and also tabs are available where the user can record the details of their customers, suppliers and products along with which there is a HSN and SSE master which is inbuilt. Here the user finds all the HSN and SSE codes along with the description and the tax rates. Next comes outward supplies. Outward supplies is nothing but sales over here and also the user captures the details of their client's outward supplies which includes the data for the sales, that is invoices, exports, advances, debit credit note. There is also a tab of GST and offline template along with which we provide summaries and also auto approvals. In invoices, user can upload all the outward supply details either through add. Now, in case of add option, the invoice details can be added manually wherein you would need to provide the details of the invoice like the invoice number, invoice date, GSTN number, name of the customer and other few basic details. The other way of providing the details into the ASP solution is through the import option. The import option helps the user to provide the data in bulk. You have to just download the sample file in order to provide the details into the ASP solution. Once the file gets downloaded, you need to open and provide the details and then probably upload. Once you upload the data into the ASP, the invoice details gets mapped into the ASP solution, after which they get segregated into B2B, B2CL and B2CS. Next comes inward supplies. Carvy Simplify ASP has created inward supplies tab which acts like a purchase book by allowing you to record your purchase invoices, import goods and services invoices, credit and debit notes along with the advances. We can follow the same procedure as we have shown in outward supplies. Next comes returns. Once you have recorded your outward and inward supply data in our ASP solution, the GSTR forms gets auto-populated, which means there is no need of any manual calculation which needs to be done. All the forms are available which gets auto-populated. Then comes reconciliations. You would find GSTR2 and GSTR3B reconciliation, wherein this feature shows the users the possibilities of mismatches invoice by invoice. Next comes vendor management. Vendor management is a very unique tab wherein this helps you to get through the mismatches of the invoices which are being reflecting vendor by vendor. You have to just select the GSTN number and click on submit. Next comes ledgers. Here there is a request OTP option wherein you would need to give the OTP which comes to the registered mobile number. Here in the electronic cash ledger you would find all the challan payments which you have made under GST regime which reflects in the cash ledger. Next comes electronic credit ledger. All the IGST, CGST, SGST and UTGST balances reflects in the ITC ledger. Next comes electronic liability ledger. The monthly tax liability is auto calculated and reflected in this ledger. Here there is no need of any tax liability that needs to be calculated. Next is the reports and tracker tab. This tab is very helpful for any tax practitioner to check the reports and also track the return filing status. This solution provides the summary wise reports, that is outwards and inward supply summary, state wise outward and inward supply summary, state wise ITC avail summary, outward and inward advance summary, return filing summary and also state wise SEZ outward and inward supply summary. Carvy Simplify also shows you a log report which helps you in the audit. This consists of various logs like general log, Excel log and also activity log. All this will have a record of time and date of information furnished in the ASP by the users. Next comes Approved Tracker. Approved Tracker gives you a track of the invoices that have been saved and approved from the ASP solution. This comes in a tabular form along with the status as in valid, invalid or in process. Next comes Filing Tracker. Filing Tracker provides you the status of the return filings done through the ASP solution. Now, let us move to dashboard again. Here, in order to serve you better, we have also added PPTs and videos in the help button for better understanding. In the above, you would find a back to consultant link by clicking on which the tax practitioner or the KSPs would get redirected to their own login page. This is a very brief demo of our solution covering the features of Karvy Simplifile ASP. This will give you an insight of your GST MIS, and it will also act as an analytic tool which will help you in your GST journey. Thank you so much for watching Karvy Simplifile demo. To know more about us and avail our services, call us on 1800-200-3478. Or you can also email us at partnergsp@karvy.com or visit www.karvygst.com. Thank you.